Hey there, I'm Ethan. I made a little web scraping app I wanted to show you guys. A little application with C++. So I'll start off here, and the basic structure here, I have most of it going in, well, C++ is making this all run. It primarily uses like Gumbo and for its handling of HTML. The structure is that I take a URL in my target here. These are a bunch of pages, and I want to find information out about them. So I drop them here in my articles JSON. Okay, so I'll show you. I have this into with a command. So Control Shift B for this program will just go ahead and boop. There we go. It drops down the body, the title, the URL, so you can see what's going on here. I had an interesting problem with Wikipedia. It thought I was a bot. So I figured I did some research, and I learned that in order for it to not think I'm a bot, I need a user agent shown here that can, using curl, it helps me, it essentially makes me look like I'm a normal person, a client, and it doesn't worry too much that I'm trying to, I don't know, steal information or, do bot operations, something sus. And we don't want to look sus. So a lot of my automation is done down here. I didn't know this was like I didn't learn much about this until here, but through these BAT and PS1 files, I can make it so that I can use commands like Control Shift B to start this program. So that was kind of interesting. I'll show you. Let's see over here in my article H. This file, each scrape page becomes one structured article object. Okay, and this is an example of something making it more modular, because I didn't know this was like I thought web scraping would be a little bit more simple, but since I'm using C++, there's a lot of components I need to add in. Um, I need to I had a lot of imports, and so to make it all work together, though it's a lot more robust than if I chose Python. C++ gives me a lot more options, and it's faster. But I needed to make it a little bit more modular. And then let's see, we'll go down to, let's see, with down back with targets, any kind of page could be thrown in here. I want to push the limits of it a little bit more, see what I can do with it, because I think I could throw a lot in here and make and I could pull a lot of information, do a lot of research, or maybe I could train an AI with this, the data I get, depending on what I wanted to get. So it could be fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Take a look at the project. I'll put the GitHub in the description. So have some fun checking this out. Thanks so much for listening.